So do you guys want to know the one thing that is going to have the greatest impact on your relationship with your teen or tween, and also on the way they see themselves? Welcome to Youth Rising. I'm Lindsay Law, certified youth life coach. And the one way we can impact that view of themselves and their mental health the most is by creating time daily to connect with our kids. Connecting with your kids, even for just a few minutes a day, can create that needed connection for them to feel that safety and to have those better mental health outcomes. It could be reading a book together. It could be going for a walk. It could be learning something together. It could be playing a game together. These are things to keep in mind while you're connecting. 1, make eye contact with your teen or tween. That will help them feel seen and heard. 2, if your child is a child who likes physical contact, touch them on the shoulder, give them a hug, snuggle up on the couch together. And again, also be respectful to those teens and tweens who do not appreciate physical contact. That's okay. It doesn't have to mean anything about their love for you or your love for them. 3, really listen to what they're saying, validating what they're saying. And if you go and watch my last parent video, it talks all about validating our kids and helping them feel seen and heard. Ask questions, get curious. Why do they think that about the book? Why do they like doing this specific activity? What's fun for them about that? Some kids may not respond to lots of questions. It's less about what we ask and the emotion behind our questions. So get curious, get compassionate and loving. Some of your kids may not want to do a lot of talking, and that's okay. Connecting does not have to involve talking. Really read your child and choose the things that seem to help them feel more connected to you and you more connected to them. And if you want to learn more about connecting with your teen or tween, creating an environment that encourages self-love, that helps them quiet that negative self-talk, then you need to come to my parent workshop tonight. And it's tonight at 7 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time. Go to the description below, sign up in the link there. And if you can't make it tonight, that is okay. There's also a link for my website, and you can go to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter where you get tons of tips like this on connecting with your teens and creating that environment that supports that self-love for them. Have some fun, get creative about how you can connect with your teen for just a few minutes every day. You're amazing. Keep doing what you're doing, parents. Have an amazing day. See you guys later.